Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, a few days back I created a video about how to remove blackheads and whiteheads from your nose, and it is an amazing DIY recipe and I'm gonna link it down somewhere here. The reason why blackheads and whiteheads are caused is because on our skin we have so many hair follicles. So when this follicle comes in contact with the air, there is a bacteria in air which clogs the pore completely. So now when the pores are completely clogged, it is a form of acne guys, whiteheads, they are caused. Now when this pore come in contact with the air, it is turned out to be black because it appears to be black. So it is called blackhead. So I hope that I'm able to make you guys understand why it is called. Even if you haven't understood, it's completely okay. I'm here to give you the solution. So it's okay, completely okay for me if you did not even understand. So my aunt was finally here guys yesterday, and she has so many blackheads on her nose guys. I have whiteheads, I do not have blackheads. So she had a lot of blackheads, and you know how my mind is. I have so many DIY recipe for everything. So I asked her that I'm gonna remove all that stuff from her nose, and today I'm gonna try out the same recipe on her just to make you guys sure that it really works. It is an amazing DIY recipe and I really want you guys to try it out. And also if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel and be a part of Beauty Squad. And we are gonna get started guys.
So guys, the first thing we require here is a tablespoon of gelatin, and after that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of charcoal into it and give it a nice stir. The next thing I require here is 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and after that I am again going to give it a nice stir. And if you see, gelatin has this natural property of absorbing water, so just make sure if you need a little bit of extra, just add that little bit of extra water there. And now I have taken water into this pan which is really hot, and with the help of a double boiling method I am going to make this gelatin dissolve, and I have a consistency guys I'm looking for here. So I am going to make it hot till the temperature, and I am going to keep stirring it till the time I get my desired consistency. So guys, the solution is ready, and this was the consistency I was looking for. And after that I have taken a brush and I'm gonna apply this on her affected area. And yes, I know that she's making really funny expressions guys. So I am going to apply it on her entire nose so that it can stick up in her skin really firmly. And after that I'm gonna take a tissue and apply it on her nose firmly, because it is going to stick it well over there. After that we are going to remove the extra tissue here. I have taken a pair of scissors and I'm gonna remove it carefully so that she can breathe properly, otherwise she won't be able to at all. And here I am adding another layer over the tissue of the same mixture so that it can work really well, and all the whiteheads, blackheads in the hair can get trapped easily when it's get dried off. It is going to take a while for it to get dry off, like 30 to 45 minutes, and once you are done, it is gonna be little painful guys, because it is going to extract out all the impurities from there. And I'm sorry I'm not able to show it in the front of camera what all it is extracting, but I promise in the end of the video I'm gonna show you what stuff has already been taken out. So guys, these are the after and before pictures, and as you guys can see, she had a lot of whiteheads, blackheads and hair over her nose. And now if you see, it's super clean. The trick really works guys, and this is all the stuff I have collected. All the impurities are there over this patch, and these white little stuff, if you are able to see, I hope that I'm able to show it to you guys. The camera was able to capture it. This is all the impurities I have collected over. I really hope it helps you.
Guys, I really hope that you are able to see the clear difference after and before, because it really sticks into your skin and it helps in taking all the hair, whiteheads, blackheads, whatever the thing you have on your face which is really glossy and gooey. It takes it all out. It is an amazing DIY recipe. I really want you guys to try it out for yourself and let me know in the comments down below how it worked for you. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. It's free for you guys and it is gonna mean a lot to me. And also make sure that you follow me on my social media, link to which I'm going to leave in the description box below. And also, if you have anything for me to do, just let me know in the comments down. I would love to do it for you guys, and I'm gonna see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. The reason why blackheads and whiteheads are caused is because we have so many hair follicle on our face. So when this follicle comes in contact with the air and the bacteria, it helps, what it does, it clogs the pore. Now when pores are clogged, guys, it is known as whitehead. But once that